Sarisha?
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So I'm making you the presenter. You can start sharing your screen
Okay.
and yeah, and you can also give me the access. So good show. So yesterday we discussed upon the Java installation, right? We installed how we can install Java and for which we installed JRE and JDK and we have gone through the basic JavaScript, right? So
Yeah.
today, in the meantime, have you installed the Firefox?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so let's go on with the installation of IDE before we go on proceeding with the JavaScripts. Yeah, start sharing your screen.
Yeah,
Okay,
I did.
so you have installed Firefox, right? So today let
Yeah.
us go on making sure about installing IDE, and I'll tell you how to install IDE and Firebug. Okay, and then we'll start executing our JavaScripts. Okay, so the only reason I'm trying to install IDE is to just in order you to know about like the installation part. Okay, so let's log into the Firefox. Just open the Firefox. I'll tell you.
Just launch it, right? Okay.
Yeah, just launch it. Correct.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Correct. Now, write down over here, install,
Your
okay,
voice is cracking.
say Selenium, okay, go to the official website first, let's see. Is
Official
it, is it
website.
clear now?
Just say it again. I cannot listen anything.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
Sarisha.
are you able to hear
Can
my
you?
voice now?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Little cracking, I'm saying. I can hear you, but it's breaking somewhere.
Acha. Because I'm using my headset also. Okay, let's start off. seleniumhq.org. Selenium, LENIUMHQ.org.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the official website of Selenium. I think you can just add it to your favorites. So you'll be able to launch it whenever you require. Okay?
Okay, yeah. Bookmarks toolbar.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah. I did. Sarisha, you can hear me?
Hello?
Hello?
No,
Sarisha, can you hear
I
me?
lost your voice. Yeah. Now I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, I have added in my favorites.
Okay. Now go to this IDE. You see this IDE here?
Mm-hmm.
Just click on this. Yes, click on this.
I
Okay.
did.
This is the IDE. Okay. Now download Selenium. Say download Selenium. So
So what do we have to do with this one? This
that
dialogue?
that that's not a dialog box. That's just a PPT screen on your machine.
Oh, okay. So nothing to do? Oh, yeah, yeah. There's nothing to. My goodness, so realistic. Okay, so download Selenium.
Correct. It's just showing you the look and feel like once you download, how does it look like?
Okay.
Okay. Now this is Selenium IDE. We see Selenium IDE is a Firefox plugin which records and playbacks the user interactions with the browsers. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
you can do from download from here. Like you can do the latest version from this addons.mozilla or you can go also to the previous version. So you go from addons.mozilla. Yeah, click on that. Say add to Firefox. Install.
So we are installing Selenium IDE, right, with Firefox. Okay.
Yeah.
Restart Firefox. Okay, restart now.
Restart now. Yeah, now launch the Firefox. Okay. Now here on the right side you should be able to see IDE, but as of now we are not able to see anything. So for that reason you can go to this open menu, which will help you to show the Selenium IDE. Just go to customize. Uh, okay, this is IDE. So see, it's been hidden over here. So you can
Yeah.
just drag this IDE over to here, to this box, and you can also drag this IDE to here.
Oh, okay.
It's not every time you need not go and push on things, right? Every time
Mm.
you need not open, go to the customize and doing it would be a not a kind of a regular job that you can perform of opening menu and drag and drop it, right? So just put it over here, just like a shortcut as we keep on the desktop. So you can
Mm-hmm.
keep it over here, and once you click on this, automatically your IDE gets launched.
Okay.
Okay, so this is Selenium IDE.
Mm-hmm.
So in this base URL of IDE, you'll be able to give the website like HTTP, let's say facebook.com. This is my ID.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So this website will launch. That's what it is when
Yes,
we run the
and
script.
correct. That is the base URL. But when you want to record the script, automatically it will not launch and record. As in QTP, it will
Mm.
not launch and record. We have to automatically open that, and then you will be able to see. Whenever I try to enter something here, if you see this IDE tool, it's not launching anything, right? It will not launch anything in the record time. You have to really open it manually, and
Oh.
if once you enter the name, then
Mm.
automatically the data gets started recording here.
Okay.
That's the
Mm.
first disadvantage of IDE. In QTP, if you see in settings, you have record and playback on record and run test on any open browser, or record and run test. So while recording and running the test, please open this browser. That's what is we set in QTP, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so what will happen once you click on the record button, automatically your website gets opened.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
But in IDE, it doesn't happen. You have to manually open the Facebook page and keep it, and then start entering the data. So once you start entering the data only,
Mm-hmm.
then you will be able to get the things out of it. See, see, these are the IDs. See that?
Yeah.
See,
Mm-hmm.
these are the IDs which get generated through the web application. Okay.
So this ID is just
So
a number, right? Here it is given.
yeah, ID is nothing but the ID is identification of a given object.
Okay. So
See,
the
there are
object
two ways.
reference.
There are two ways in getting the ID. Either you can get it through the IDE tool while recording the object,
Mm-hmm.
else you can install Firebug. Am I clear? You can install
Yeah.
Firebug on your Firefox, which will help you to get through. So you just say install Firebug. It's similar to the IDE installation. You just need to go to add-ons Firefox and say add to Firefox. Install.
Okay. Like in QTP, we do object identification, that sign, right? That we do it that way, or we record it and get the object reference. That's how it is.
Yeah,
There are two ways in.
generally in QTP, yes, in QTP you get it through the recording, or else you use your object spy, right? That
Yeah.
mouse hand symbol through which you click on an object and it will show you all the properties of an object, right?
The
So
object
here
reference.
what would happen?
Yeah.
Uh, so this Firebug which I have installed now will help you to identify. So for example, I wanted to find what is the unique identification of this particular search field. Then you see inspect element with Firebug,
Mm-hmm.
and you see show all available comments.
Okay, you clicked right click right there.
Yes, right click.
Okay,
You can
click
do
and
it.
then.
So that's the reason I tell you guys to do, so it becomes easy. Okay, do one thing, go to Facebook only. Don't do here. Let's go on Facebook only. Facebook, because already you can compare those IDs generated by IDE through the
Oh,
IDs which you are looking out. Right
this
click
is
on
fine.
first name.
First
Yeah,
name.
right click on
Okay, yeah, I did here. Inspect element.
already Okay, before that you see you have an option. Okay, see here, right click, you have an option verify value ID equal to 0_1. You see
Mm-hmm.
this?
Mm-hmm.
Else you can go with this. Sometimes it will not show, so you can say inspect element with Firebug and it shows you the ID here. See, this
Oh,
is the ID.
mm-hmm.
Similarly, you can also verify it in other fields also. Just go through. See, immediately it will show you this value.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can also take it from here. Every time you need not click on inspect element with Firebug. Once you right click, verify value field will automatically show you the ID.
Okay.
Okay. And if you see show available commands, you have this u_0_5. So you can use verify title on your page, verify value on your page, verify text on your page. You can wait for. So these are all the values of the IDE. So in IDE, the very first basic important thing which I wanted to say is once you invoke your IDE, these are all the IDs which got generated.
Okay.
Okay. So this is also good and you can either run the script also. Okay. So if you see, if I click on the run button, see, the data got opened. But what if I'm not invoking the Firefox? I'll close everything here. I'll close all the Firefox windows. Okay. Now click on the run button. See, there was an unexpected error, Selenium, because the only reason is it is unable to open Firefox through IDE. Even though IDE supports only running commands on Firefox, it
Mm-hmm.
will not automatically open the base URL as in QTP. You have to keep your application open.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. So this is a disadvantage of the Selenium. That's how.
Yeah, it's a disadvantage of Selenium, right? Because every time you have to keep the application open and keep it, right? Else,
Yeah.
first disadvantage is it will only run on Firefox. It will
Okay.
not
I.
run on Chrome and yeah. And second disadvantage is every time you have to keep the base URL open and then only run the test.
Oh, this is open. Still, it's not working.
Yeah, yeah. Let me reopen the script once.
So we're opening somewhere else, right? This is Chrome. Yeah. This is
Oh,
that
this
was
is not
Chrome.
Chrome.
Oh, this is
Oh, okay, okay.
Firefox.
I think we should open in the Firefox. I've opened in the Chrome. I think we have to record it again. Let's see whether, yeah, the script isn't got saved, right? So let me record it for you again. Okay.
Okay.
I think we have opened in Chrome. We have to open it in the Firefox. So you see that you saw that error also, right? That
Yeah.
you can't run any of your scripts on other browsers. That's one point.
Yeah, some
Okay.
Chrome was also mentioned in the error, so I was suspecting that
Yeah. Good,
what was
good, good.
it all about.
So okay, let's take these two for the time being. Okay. Now, when you open this IDE, I stop recording here. Okay.
Okay.
So what I have to do is I have to have this open and keep it. Am I making clear now? I have to open this Facebook and keep it for IDE, else it will not run my script.
Yeah.
So if I open and keep it and I run the current test, automatically my data is getting entered. See
Yeah.
that?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the second disadvantage because every time opening the application and keeping it is a bigger tough, right? So by automation, then manually only I can open test my application for entering the data, correct?
Mm-hmm.
There is, yeah. And here, one more thing is data validation. If I want to change the value, because for Sarisha I've already executed, now I don't want to execute for Sarisha. I can do it for what now? For example, take Shami.
Mm-hmm.
So automatically whenever I change the value, the things gets changed in the value field, you see?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
This is also a good way where you can change your data in IDE tool and you can also test like just doing a combination like with the numbers, alphabets and everything means I'm suspecting whether the field is able to accept the alphabets, a combination of alphabets, special characters and numbers or not. Then I can change the value either in the value field and I can also take it, right? Because yes, the
Yeah.
field is getting accepting the values. So it means that there is no error got generated. So if there is no error, it clearly predicts that the combination of alphabets, numbers and special characters entry is working. Okay,
Yep. Okay.
but
Yeah.
something which can be done through the QTP is what? Through the data table we do some parameterization, right?
Yes, we
We
do
give
it.
some
Yeah.
uh,
Through
we
Excel
give some
sheet, we do it, right?
we also do it through the data table. If you have an idea, you can go to the keyword view and just make sure that you change the value, make it from a constant to a parameter, and give values into the data table directly, right? You can
We
also give the
we usually use this Excel spreadsheet to get the
yes,
data.
correct. You use the data table dot export sheet, import sheet,
Yeah.
and all those options, add sheet and all that. But that is not suited in IDE tool. See, if I say if I want to execute for multiple values, I can't either give Shemi, comma Sarisha, comma ABC. It will not take as 3 inputs. See, when I run, it will take the whole thing as 1 input. See,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
there is no IDE doesn't support parameterization concept also.
Okay.
So these are some of the disadvantages with which I'm going to the WebDriver. Okay.
Okay.
So before I start WebDriver, the only thing you need to understand is how to inspect an element. That's what I've shown you here. Okay. Using this inspection element. Now, before that, I start WebDriver, you need to know some loops like for loop in order to check the values of the drop downs, for if else, like if this is existing, then it is a pass, else not.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, yeah. Like if it is not entered, like mobile number toys or email toys, then should throw error like that.
Yes, correct. So based on that, the only reason for which is we started first, you have to learn core Java, the very basic core Java concepts of the scripts, then you can start using the WebDriver. Okay, so
Okay.
now let's open the email which I've sent you, JavaScripts file, and we'll start executing. Okay.
Okay. It's right here.
Yeah. Yeah,
JavaScript. This one.
correct.
Okay. Integer
See,
byte.
yes. So what is integer, what is byte, what is short, and what is etc. See, these are called as data types. Generally, if you want to declare a variable or a value, Java
We
doesn't
have this
understand.
one, right? The various data types. There are three types of variables: local, instance, and static. Right? These ones.
Yeah.
We're missing these. So we're
What is
missing
that?
this. I'm saying the first line, right? There are three types of variables: local,
No, no,
instance, and static. Okay.
I'm,
So
I'm explaining the same. No, what I'm saying is as a new Java candidate, you doesn't know what is integer, what's a local, what's instant, right? You don't know that. So what I'm trying to show here is Java, see, the main thing is if you want to declare a variable like A
mhm.
or B or C, any kind of a variable or a number, then you need to always make sure that Java doesn't understand ABC data, right? You can't
Yeah.
declare A, B, C. So I have to declare it through integers or bytes or shorts, etc. Okay.
Mhm.
So if I'm declaring a variable called int x here, Shami, so it indicates that I am saying Java that there is a variable called x for which you can give some multiple values like x is 1 or x is equal to a. Then it will try to understand that, okay, there is a variable or an integer x for which the value is 1 or for which the value is a. It goes
Oh,
like
okay.
that.
It's regardless, right? X equal to one if we give like X equal to A. So we have to like specifically mention that it's a number, it's a character like that.
Yes, correct.
So you
I'll
have
tell
to.
you now. Yeah. See, if you're putting on a string, then I say string
Mm-hmm.
for the characters. For the numbers, I say integers. Integers are
Okay.
numbers, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here, if you see just leave the above part. Let's come with the first example so you would understand more clearly. Here you see that int a equal to 100, b equal to 200, c equal to a plus b. So
Okay.
what's int a? I mean, giving a value to a, which is 100.
Mm-hmm.
What's the value of the b, which is 100? Oh, sorry, 200. That's a b value. Int c equal to a plus b. So the operation plus indicates that it has to add those two numbers.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if I don't give int, if I just say like a equal to 100, b equal to 100, c equal to a plus b, then Java will not understand.
Mm-hmm.
Am
Yeah.
I making you clear here?
Yes.
If
Yes.
I
Yes.
don't give int, If I just give A, we'll also do that and show you practically. If you give A equal to 100, B equal to 100, C equal to A plus B, it will not understand. So that's the reason we have to first declare it as an integer, because A value is storing an integer called 100.
Yeah.
A is a variable which is storing the integer value 100. B is a variable which is storing the value called 200. And C is a value which is storing the output taken from A and B and adding those two numbers, and 100 plus 200 is 300, and that 300 value is being captured in the C value.
Yeah.
Okay. And we are printing system.out.print. Yesterday I've shown you system.out.print is to get the data to the console window. So I'm saying that whatever given in the double quotes, it gets printed automatically in the console window, like total is or sum is, whatever. It's just the user interface to understand what's going on the script part. Okay. And plus C. See, generally when you directly give C, automatically it will print C. But you want the value which has to be retrieved from C, right? So always you have to give a plus value. That indicates that you're taking the value which is stored in C but not the C letter.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
If you just
I'll show
put
you
C,
C.
then if it won't put plus sign, then what will happen here?
It will just show you C.
Oh, so but it is not within the code, so how it is gonna show up here?
Yeah, I'll show you here. It will throw an error at that time. If that's not in the double quotes and if it's outside the double quotes, it will throw an error. First, let's execute the positive way, then we'll go with the multiple options. Okay. This is the right way of giving the data. Okay. Now when I say run, you know that the value is 300, which gets captured in the C and it should show in the console window. This is the way.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the very first thing is I'm removing this plus icon. Okay. See, what's the error it's showing you?
Token C.
You can just hover your mouse. System error on token C. Delete this token.
Yeah.
Okay, you can work it. Delete this token. So if you delete, what will happen? It will not capture any value, right?
No value is gonna show up. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the reason. So immediately you'll understand that you have missed something. Then you can also say plus. Okay. Now the next point is, if I won't declare if I
run this, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we don't need to save this anywhere.
Now please
it's just
remove
gonna run.
Yeah, automatically those get saved.
Okay.
Yeah, you need not save it, Shami. Automatically it gets saved in the Java.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Now the second option is remove INT, because you don't know, right, that you have to declare INT as a new candidate. We know, we just say A equal to, like simple language we use only A equal to, B equal to, C equal to. What will happen if I don't give INT? Yeah, so what's the error it's showing up? Just check it. A cannot be resolved a variable.
Oh, yeah.
Because a variable is always to be declared as an integer or as a string or a byte or a short or a decimal. Correct. So that's the reason we have to give.
Okay.
No, str doesn't support.
Okay. Strings, what is that then? Variable is byte and double byte also it will support, right?
Yes,
okay, let's stick to integer now.
And I think you have already used the DIM and the QTP, right? In the VB scripting we use dim to declare. See, if you have an IDE and QTP, the same thing dim has been renamed to INT here. That's only the change, right? Dim what you do is in that you can give dim A comma B.
Yeah.
Directly you can declare. Here you need not declare int A comma B, and again you need not give values. In dim what you do, you say dim A comma B, A equal to 100, B equal to 100, C equal to A plus B. That's what the script is. Here if you want you can try that. You can give it as int A comma B. Do one thing, after TODO, just for your understanding. No, 1 second. Here, give me the access. Here, just say, you can try this way also. I'm just showing you multiple options which you can try it out on a single script. Int A comma B. Let's say this is the thing. Okay. Now here you see what's given. Duplicate local variable, because already I have declared a INT. At that time you need not declare INT again.
Oh,
you know
just
that, right?
Yeah. So give a value, that's it.
So every time instead of giving things, you can directly give here. But if you directly declare C also, then you need not declare INT here also.
Yeah.
And if you run, can you run the script and see? This is like shortcut, like shortcutting the things on the script. Means in the same, it's same as QTP if you see, Shami. If you
Yeah.
declare the variables in at the same time, you need to declare them back again because it's
Yeah.
a duplication.
Yes.
Declaration is only done once.
Mm-hmm.
Declaration is only done once on a script. It's not multiple times. Even though you do it, it will shoot an error. See, you have seen two errors in this. If you don't give int totally, then it's not accepted.
Yep.
If you give int twice, it's not accepted. So always remember int has to be given once. Either you can declare it separately for each and every variable, or you can declare all the three variables on at a same time, as we have done now.
Oh, okay.
Clear? Clear on the script?
Yes, yes, it is.
And some more operations on the same script. It's a basic script, but we'll try to perform some basic operations like a minus b. Let's also do a minus b, a multiplication b also on the same thing, right? A minus b. Put it a minus b. C equal to a minus b. Run it. You know, these are the simple operations. As you know, we be scripting, so this
Yeah.
becomes more easy. Yeah, because 100 minus 200 is minus 100, right? Okay.
Okay,
So
so
multiplication. Yeah. Also go with the multiplication. Am I fast?
no, you're just going well. Just fine for me.
Yeah, 100 into
Yeah, looks
200.
good. Yeah. Will this go or division is something else? I think should be okay. Let's see. Oh, 0.
Is that correct?
I don't know. Maybe.
No. See,
No, right?
100 by 200. It should be 1 by 2, right?
Yeah,
So
point
if you
0.5
give percentile,
percentile.
give,
Oh, okay.
give percentile.
So it did not show any error though, like does not accept or how did it take it as then?
Yeah, it's just showing you like by default 0 value. It will not show any error. That's A by B. It's doing some other operation I perform. So, okay, let's say with A percentile B. 100.
No, right?
No.
It's yeah.
A percentile 200. Open the calculator on your machine.
I don't think so. It is correct.
No, open the calculator. 100.
0.5 should show the.
Okay, 0.5. Okay, just try to do this way. Just say A equal to 10. A equal to 10.
Remove this 100. Okay.
B equal to 2. And it should show me 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see now.
0.
0. I think the operation is not getting performed right way.
How
Okay,
come?
just remove percentile to divided by
This division. This is 5.
I think division. No, don't go with percentile. Just directly go with the division. Okay.
This sign, right?
Yes.
But still, answer was not correct. You remember last time when we did 100, 200?
It should be 1 by 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I see. When it is like it's just giving a reminder, right? Like when it is giving a reminder, it's not calculating. I'll just check on this.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing what I wanted to specify over here was
so we're creating class, right? Every time that's Java file. Okay, we're making.
Correct.
So .java every time it is going to save it as. So under project we made a package and then under that we made classes.
Correct. First we made a project, then we made a package.
Package is class.java. What is it?
No. First one is project that we created.
SRC, right?
No, project is Shemi. That's what we created, right?
This one is project. Okay. And then it created automatically, right? Remember this one SRC create automatically.
Hmm.
Under this, we created a package. Under packages, we are writing, these are what our test class, what do you call it, in terms of test case, test suite.
Test suite, you mean to say?
And in manual testing, right, we have so many test cases, and
Hmm.
we have a big like test suite. Under test suites, we have so many test cases. So how we are relating this with this?
See, we are
Like
not writing any. We are not
yeah,
writing any.
so go ahead, please.
We are not writing any test cases here, Shami.
No, if I have a like a Facebook homepage, so the class one is for validating Facebook homepage, and then
Yeah,
second
you
is
have to.
navigate
Okay,
to
you have
another.
to go. Okay, you have to go as many classes you want. Like login page, one class. Navigations, one class. You mean to say that, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you have to put your script in each and every class name. You have to create those many classes for those many scenarios.
So to class one, I can, while creating, I mean, there is no option to rename it. So while creating the class, I could
Ah,
change the name to login, and then to
right.
validation on whatever the second page, and then third page validation, third page, like that. I will make different classes after this, after this, after this.
Yes. On the package itself, on the same package, you create multiple classes.
Oh,
Class 1,
okay.
class 2, class 3, class 4, login, navigation, verification of fields, verification of, I'll show you here only.
Okay.
Once we start WebDriver, I'll show you like, because I'll be working on multiple applications for multiple things. Like example, let's say that first I'll be working on verifying the text fields. Second, I'll be
Mm-hmm.
working on the radio buttons. Third script, I'll be working on the drop downs. Fourth one will be verifying and retrieving the links. Fifth one retrieving the images. Next retrieving, seventh one retrieving the frames. Next retrieving the data when you have a web table information on a web application. It's like that continuously. I'll show you all the scripts on one package. Then you'll
Oh,
understand how to
okay.
store it. It's as simple as that. There is no very kind of thought thinking also which is not needed in this. Similar, just like the on the same package, I'll go ahead and create a new class. That will be my second part of my job, like this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Class two is for, suppose, for data
Yes.
testing. Okay.
You can do here something like this instead of this. So what's my second script which is saying here, you can see here. See, this is like the next one is the if condition. Let's say I'm performing
Hmm.
some condition part now. So here you say if condition in this name. That's fine, right? You'll understand that the script is for if condition. The script is for login, the script is for retrieving links, whatever it might be. Okay?
Okay.
So yeah. So this is a very basic script which I've told you. You understood, right? How to declare an integer and do it, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. So after this, see, let's start off with the if condition today. See, generally an if condition of the JavaScript will go with first basic is if,
Yeah.
second one is you have if else,
Mhm.
and then you have if else if. So I think you have already seen these syntaxes in the QTP2, right? But
Yeah,
still I'm
yeah.
going with the
Mhm.
syntax. For the if you have if condition, then code, that's only the syntax, correct? If there
Mhm.
is a condition, if name equal to Sirisha, print she is a woman. Done.
Mhm.
We are done with that.
Mhm.
If name is Shami,
Mhm.
print girl. Done.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. Here what I'm trying to do is I've written a combination code for with using int also. See, what I'm saying, first you know that we have to declare like dim we using QTP, I'm using int age equal to 60.
Mhm.
If age is greater than 50, print age is greater than 50. And the script gets closed and if clause is executed. And you know that you can write n number of system outputs, right? It totally depends upon how we write the system outputs.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, so you can copy this. You can either write directly on your Java tool just for the time saving part. I'm just taking out from here. That's it. If you see this, int age equal to 60. Can you just let me know why the errors are coming up?
Yeah, because of the semicolon, right? Input indicator.
Correct. Okay,
Yeah.
and here,
Mhm.
here system spelling,
System. Okay, let's see. Let's understand. System cannot be resolved. Okay, system.
capital S,
Yeah. Okay.
S-Y-S-T-E-M, S-Y-S.
And here one more error. Okay, this should be okay. Yeah, it should go. So if condition is coming from here, so class name if condition, okay.
Whatever class name you create while you are creating a class, that gets saved under the public class.
Okay. So we can run it, and then will this will not be printed, right? Okay, only this will be
It will,
printed.
no, it will get printed because that's not else, right?
Oh, okay, this not else, just plain F. Okay.
What is the semicolon here? Clear?
Yeah. Yeah, if is okay, good. If is
Yeah, you can just, huh.
oh, so this one, okay, less than 850. Okay.
Because one second here, one thing I just want to clarify is whatever might be the condition I've given in the if statement, if that gets passed, that is true, let's say that is true with the given variable, then only it will get into the if loop, else it will not get into the if loop itself. That's what you can remember that way.
Yeah.
If the condition is true, then only it will enter this loop, else it will not enter the loop.
Okay, so we can still okay, yeah, I got it now.
Yeah, so here if you see,
And then we can write, right, plus age, right?
but it will not get into the loop.
Oh,
You have to
yeah,
give
greater
no,
than.
L, no, L, give it less than only, else change the value. Okay, anyways, your interest. You can
Okay,
change the value of the seventh line, right? You can just give
this
6 over there. Because 6 is less than 50, right? It should get into the loop as far as we are concerned.
506. It is not saving something. Okay, so 50 and then okay 6.
No.
No, yeah,
It,
yeah, yeah,
it's getting saved, but
yeah.
one second. You
No,
while
because
see,
this, because of this, right? We have this condition. This whole thing we wanted to print, so it had printed and added 6 also in it
yeah,
because we.
here what you have to do, that's what I'm saying. See, what you can do here is in order to modify your output part, age is greater than 50. Okay, age is greater than 50 /n. Now that should go to the next line, let's say.
Showing some
I
error
can,
in there. Yeah.
no, wait. And here you can also use this way. The value is, will it get printed this way?
No, it is not coming. Looks
No, it won't come. It won't come. You can't give two double statements in the same. Or else you can just go with like this.
it's
It's
not
not
coming.
coming
It
this
should,
way.
yeah, within quotes it should go. I think within quotes and then. Ah, okay.
Now see.
It's gonna be. It is coming properly, but I don't know how to. Okay, it's coming fine.
Okay, do one more thing here. If you see the other scripts also, here you have used one more kind of output which will really help you in order to understand in a better fashion. Mm, I'm giving somewhere around
So value is like colon here you give
yeah,
and then
in
value.
this manner
Yeah,
you can.
but okay, so next.
No, one thing. Next line. It can, if it goes to the next line, then it will be more clear, right?
But how this value will go in next line? Because we are combining in first line. Okay, let's try it.
Yeah, I'll show you. Here, this part is done. Okay. Until here, I'll stop it because I can't do more than this, right? I have to stop the script here itself. I can't put it on one single line at this moment.
Yeah.
I'll just say this.
Okay.
Then again, I have to say,
Value is now, right?
else you can give here.
Oh, okay.
instead of giving so many. Now try. I think it should
Oh,
work, right?
yeah, there's no error. Yeah. So combined with
And
this next one, yeah, slash. Okay, control.
but
V. Now
slash n will, okay, and
this should go well now. Yeah, this worked fine.
because we have closed it here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, this should be okay, right? And here you can do one thing. In here, just see, can we do like this? The value is now run.
Yep, that did come.
No? This would be the
Yeah.
better way
Yeah.
of typing, right?
Yes.
Else try here.
That is
Just
no,
no.
not pick up, right? Okay.
1 second. Slash n. Uh,
The value is okay. Let's try it. No.
can we do like this? I was just thinking of.
Slash n is gonna print inside because it is within the code. Let's see it.
Just an idea.
Oh, okay.
But I think it. Now try. Okay, do one thing here. No. Before you run, do one thing. Because so many lines become the script more robust, right? So I don't want that to happen. Yeah, try.
And let's see. Let me see what we're trying to do here. Ages. Okay. So break line and value is okay.
Ouch.
Oh yeah, it did come. Yeah.
Yeah,
Slash. Okay. All right. So
because if you see here, this is also slash n is also there here also in the double quotes. Slash n is like dividing the statement into two, dividing a single statement into 2 lines or 3 lines, however it is required.
so it means we
Okay.
cannot type slash n anywhere, right?
Yeah, you can type whenever you have a longer statement, you want to break that into and show your output as 3 lines or 4 lines, then you can go with the slash n.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm trying to say this slash and how to print this. If somebody wants to print this, then there's no way to print it then, right?
No, you can't print a slash n value. You can just,
Yeah.
no, it's not. Slash n is a command kind of a thing. It's not
Yeah,
like
it's
a,
always like a new line.
yes. Because
Okay.
if you see here on 13th line, system.out.print slash n. It's not printing slash n for us, right? If you see,
Yeah. New
yeah,
line.
it is just helping us to go to the next line. It's like next line.
Oh, okay.
Okay, slash n is nothing but going to next line.
Okay.
Clear? Okay. So you can go with the next if statement. Now, we have understood a very simple if script. Now what if the statement, no, you're okay.
Yeah,
Let
if
me,
else. Yeah, if else.
if else. So if a condition, so the same syntax, if a condition is there, then type the code. That's what we have understood now. But
Yeah.
if the condition is not true, what is happening? It's just coming out of the loop. And if we give a system out.print, then only it will type. Else it will not type anything. Correct?
Yeah.
What I'm trying to say is, if this condition is not getting satisfied, as I am giving this, it is typing. If I don't give this, what will happen? It won't type anything for
Won't
me,
type.
right? If the condition fails, let's say, like
Yeah.
if
16.
the condition fails, then you know that it won't type anything for me, correct?
So we have we have to remove those. What
It's not game. It's not
what do we
showing me
call this
anything.
one? What do we call this ones? We have
That's
to
like
delete this.
commenting.
Yeah,
That's like
commenting we
comment.
have. Yeah,
Uh,
because it is ignoring all such, right?
yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
You
Now,
understood, right? No. Now, if I want to type something,
now this one executed because this one first one failed, so it printed this one, right?
yeah. So in this condition, if there is no system.out.print, because using an if statement, there is no reason in giving this line, correct? For
Yeah.
only if condition.
Mm-hmm.
So now what happens is, if the condition is not true, then else what it has to print.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, that's my if else. So if you see the script here, you would understand more better. See, I have given int age equal to 21.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I'm giving a condition if age equal to 0. Hello? Seema?
Oh, we cannot modify it. Hello?
Okay, do one thing. Type, okay, int age equal to 21, Shemi.
Mm.
If
Mm-hmm.
age is less than 21, print you can't access the Wi-Fi.
Oh, okay.
Else, if age is greater than or equal to, because in the above script you see that you can only make it to, you have to change your code for greater or lesser on the same script.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
But here we can use two conditions, for less than one script and for greater than one script. It's like that.
So we already set the age to 21, and then we are trying to validate which one is passing this condition, right? And then
Correct.
that
If it is,
statement will execute.
yes, if age is less than 21, then it will go
Mm-hmm.
into this first loop.
Yeah.
If age is greater than or equal to 21, then it will go into this loop.
Okay. I have copied
See,
this.
even though you don't give else if,
Mm-hmm.
anyhow it will go to this condition only. This is the other way around.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So copy it correctly.
Yeah, I did copy.
No, no, you haven't copied it correctly. Just go
Okay.
back. Don't change here anything. You can create a new
I
class.
I did this one. Oh, new class controls.
Yeah,
Control Z should
because
work. Okay.
slow. Create a new class. The reason is if you are using with a new loop, right? If else. So
Mm-hmm.
just save everything on a new class. So whenever you want to do some changes or do some innovative type of things, you can do work only on the same script. So
How
create
to
a
save?
new class.
How to save this? Just Control S should not.
No,
Oh,
no, no,
okay.
no.
It's already saved.
Automatically, yeah, automatically the script gets saved.
So here, right click and then new
Class.
class. Okay. So if else.
Okay, one more thing you forgot here is you
Uh,
haven't selected the public static.
so how to do that? Public static there.
You have to directly write it. You can go to class 1, copy it from here. Always remember that you have to select that checkbox. You haven't selected it, right?
I don't remember that I saw that checkbox. Is there any other way to like let's just create a new one so I will know. Will remove the one which I created last.
No, also understand how to edit it.
This
It will
one,
not
right?
be yeah,
Oh,
every
okay.
time. No, no,
Can
every time
can I
remember.
edit this one? No.
Don't get confused, Shami. What I'm trying to say is, while creating a new class, you always
Mm-hmm.
need to write the class name. Okay. And also, you have to make sure that and also need to make sure that you select that particular checkbox. By defaultly that will not get selected. If you forget
So
also, you
that's
have to
what
just
I
copy paste.
where yeah, where is the checkbox? I did not see. I did not notice it.
That's what I'm showing. Be a bit slow.
Oh,
Wait, I'll show you. See, new class. Go to new class.
yeah.
Oh, you mean to say you haven't seen the checkbox at all?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is the checkbox.
This one,
Yeah.
this one. So can I?
Yes.
Is it there any way to keep it like selected? No.
No, no, no. We don't.
So how to do? There is no finish then.
You're getting confused, Shami. Whenever you create a class, you have to first enter the name of the class, right? Like
Yeah,
if else
yeah,
or
yeah,
Shami or
yeah.
whatever.
Yeah, I
Once
did
you
it
enter
last
the
time. Mm-hmm.
once you enter the name only,
Then only.
your things gets complete. What you have done is you have entered the name and directly clicked on the finish button. Even
Yes.
though you don't select this, see if I enter the name, automatically my finish button gets enabled and you have directly clicked on finish. What
Yes.
I'm uh, see here, I think you can do something. Configure template and default values. So let's see whether we can do this. Here, public static is there, right? So whether can we make this to a default template? Code template. Enable project specification settings. Comments. Okay. And code. Because I think there should be a chance, but I don't know like class body public. I think there's no chance. See,
Oh, okay. So every time I
if
have
there
to.
was something that we can put this as a right template, which will help us not to select that thing. That's not there here.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Yes. Now clear on this?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Just
Okay.
cancel
Or
that one. Update that
yeah.
one I created.
Yes. Correct.
Where are we? We're working on if else. Okay, here I can see. Okay.
Yes. So
Because
you have
left
already,
side is nothing is selected, so I was like confused which one we are working on.
okay. Here also you haven't copied it the right way. I'll just copy it. See, from here to here you have to copy. I think you have not copied the full part.
Okay.
And very simple, but be a bit slow, okay, in doing things. That will surely help you to understand more quickly. So what's the, without seeing the error, can you tell me what might be the solution for this line?
Yeah, so the gap, right? So the syntax error. So I will correct that.
Wow. Okay, good, good, good. Go ahead.
Okay, this one is corrected all by itself. Okay, so else
Huh.
if let's try if this is the one. Oh yes. Let me put it correctly. You can't access, right? Okay, let's do it this way. Less than this one. So it is equal to you can access. Okay. You can access. So what if I remove greater than 21? So nothing will print here, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, nothing will print because it's less than, this is a greater than.
Hmm.
Everything is
See what, why we have to go with LSET? If I don't write this, let me say,
mm-hmm.
if I don't write this, one second,
The whole
wait.
else statement here.
Okay, here what I'm saying is if I don't write this, I'm just commenting. See, if age is less than 21, print this. This is only a simple if statement.
Yeah.
And I'm saying you can access. So if age is equal to 21, it's not equal to 21 because I'm not given equal to symbol here. I've just given only less than symbol. So what it will print? See, you can access. Is this the right answer?
No,
Hmm?
no, right? If
So
it
if
is
age is
less
less than 21,
than 21, less if age is equal less than 21, so wait a
you can't
minute.
access, right?
Yeah, you can't access.
Yes. See, that's a simple logic here. See here, very clearly. If I say if age is greater than only, it should print this, correct?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
But
yeah. Because
this
yeah,
part,
this part is
uh,
not meeting the criteria, right?
correct. So that's the reason we are going with else if. One second, else if, and I'm putting a condition here. Oh, I'm doing something wrong. One second, bit slow, bit cool, calm down. Okay. What's happening here? Anything that missed out?
Mhm.
Okay. No. Here. Show me on the 8th line.
Okay, take the
Yeah.
control.
Here we have missed this.
Oh, the curly brackets, something should start here.
Yeah. After the if it should start, right? That I think that got deleted. Some. Okay. One second. Sorry, I'm very sorry. This is the correct one, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, leave it. Now don't
No,
get
so a
confused.
lot of
Don't get.
errors in here. A lot of errors in here, right? Okay, you're taking the control. Okay. So what is this going on at the right panel? This one, I'm sorry, but I'm just
No.
asking.
Just. Something is getting messed up totally. Wait a second, please. Mm.
One more curly bracket, then we're all set. Yeah, should be.
Mm. Okay. So this is the right way of using. So this is the outline of the project, which will just help you in order to understand like what things are going on. What is a package? Under the package you have a class, right? After the class you are going to the public static, then comes your script. It's just showing you the navigation. Outline is like navigation.
Okay.
So clear on this, if else. So try with some combinations today.
So
So if I give 1, what will happen? 1 is less than 21. So if I give
that's fine.
91 let's say.
You can answer.
So you can work on this for today and do let me know if you have any questions by tomorrow. So we'll meet tomorrow also at the same time.
Okay. So we covered today if loop and then if else loop. Let me go back so that I can practice what all things we covered. In teacher, so we're gonna see. Oh, where are we? If else. So we okay. Do while that's gonna cover later. Okay. So we're gonna touch any of these things. So I mean, do the really useful when we do real coding.
We don't use long float and double, but eventually I'll show you those also, don't worry. But it's just a declaration, right? Declaration kind of a thing that we need to do.
But we're gonna do it, right?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So today we have not covered all if loops, right? Just all it's done. If
We are done with
both are
only 2 if loops.
oh we
Simple
have
if
so many.
statement and simple if else.
Oh, okay. We have so many else if as well after that. Okay. Okay, I'll practice on these two then. Normal if and one if else.
Okay?
Mhm. And I
Yeah.
don't have to do anything with the Firebug and anything stuff today, right? I'll maybe try to do some IDE. If I have any question, I'll ask you again for IDE.
Okay, okay. Just try out something. Anyhow, we'll do showing you in the WebDriver part. Okay?
So we'll not be doing anything on IDE. I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
what usually like companies, my company started doing and the Selenium IDE, they did something. I don't know what because I was not involved in that project, but they did say they did some work on Selenium IDE. So what all
Yeah.
things we can do with IDE? So like just general, can you tell me just taking one example of like Yahoo or some website and we can
Sure,
do
sure. I'll tell you.
one or
Yeah,
two
once we'll complete Java, then we'll come to IDE and I'll show you because there is some more things to show you like how to verify the text on application through IDE and how do you automatically generate a WebDriver script through IDE. I'll tell you those.
Oh,
Okay?
okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay,
So
then
we
we'll
will
let's
leave the
meet tomorrow.
class. Okay, then
Yeah.
tomorrow
So
then.
you're
Okay.
getting right things, how things are
Yeah,
going?
yeah. So I'll work
So
on it.
might
I'm
yeah,
sorry.
might be a bit fast. Please do slow down. Please help me to slow down. If you feel that something is getting faster, just intimate me.
Yeah,
I'll just
sure,
slow
I
down.
will. Okay.
Because you already had a knowledge on QTP, so I was just making sure like things are becoming more easy for you for the loops part at least.
Yeah, but I was not like so much involved in coding part. I was more involved in like BA scripts running every like a week we were getting code. We were running it and then validating. If there was any error, then we were going and checking the codes. Usually
Okay
everything
then.
was going fine. I was
Okay,
just
good.
like part of running the script.
Oh, is that so? Okay. Sure,
Yeah.
then let's meet tomorrow and discuss on more.
Okay. Thanks, Sirisha.
Sure.